Hi guys, so last week my little cousins came around and I decided to serve them swallow because that was what I made that day. But they were literally eating the food like I was forcing them, like you can see it in their faces. So I went straight to the kitchen to make them Hillnut cereal. This brand is NAFDAC approved and they specialize in making naturally sourced products. This cereal is made for infants from 6 months and above. The most exciting part about this is that it comes in 5 different flavors and adults can also take it too. So you don't need to be hiding and eating your children's cereal any longer. The best part about this product is it is 100% natural, has no artificial flavor and colors, and it is gluten free. So I topped it up with some chopped apples and pure and liquid milk, and it was looking so rich already. And then served them and they were so excited, and then they went straight ahead to eat it. Like before I could say Jack, these children already finished their food. Here's what they had to say about it. Then I fed my little cousin too, and you guys, I'm not gonna lie, as I was feeding her, I was also feeding myself. Toodles!